equal to R T. It is said mainly we have to first step, it is said differentiation. Differentiation means it's a P dVm plus Vm dP equal to R dt. And next step it is said divided by dt and that at constant volume. And that next it is said dabba P by dabba T at constant volume Vm equal to R. Because dabba T by dabba T cancel out, it is equal to 1. Okay, here that we got answer, it is, this is the first step. This we have to consider, this is equation 1. And next we decide dabba P by dabba T at constant Vm and divided by R Vm. Okay, we can also write that form. And third step it is that dabba P by dabba T, okay sorry, not dabba T by dabba Vm at constant pressure is equal to, this is we have to look at that differentiation equation P by R. We got answer. This one is that equation dabba T is R and dabba Vm constant pressure given P by R. This is that dabba Vm divided by dabba T. This is considered the equation third. Okay, here we look at R by Vm, it is the equation second. This is the equation third. Next we decide dabba Vm divided by dabba T at constant temperature minus Vm divided by R. In case of any time dabba Vm given, we can directly write on minus Vm. Dabba P is equal to, this is that dabba Vm and dabba P minus Vm divided by P. Okay, cyclic rule formula it is that we have to know the dabba P by dabba T at constant Vm plus dabba T by dabba Vm at constant pressure dabba Vm divided by dabba P at constant temperature plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, already we have to know about that values in this cyclic rule. Dabba P by dabba T is at equation second. This we have to look at equation second. And this one is dabba T by dabba Vm at constant pressure is that third equation, and this one is the fourth one. Okay, these values and put on that equation cyclic rule. Here that P by Vm into P by R minus Vm divided by P and plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, here that first here the plus 1 we have to directly write plus 1 sign. We have to cancel out this value Vm Pm minus Pp. Okay, everything will be cancelled. Consider as plus 1 minus 1. This is plus 1 right below side. This minus 1 is come. This whole equation come to that minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, here we move on that next cyclic rule problems given P plus A by Vm square into Vm equal to RT. Okay, this equation we have to differentiation. In that first step it is differentiate. Differentiation is that P dV minus AVM square equal to dVm equal to R dt. Okay, dt is that introducing that constant volume dVm equal to 0. Next we have to apply that it is what type of formation will be forming Vm. It is that dabba P by dabba T at constant Vm is equal to R. Okay, next it is dabba P by dabba T at constant Vm is equal to that R by Vm. This is the first equation. Second step it is that second equation is that dabba T by dabba Vm at constant pressure is equal to P minus A by Vm square divided by R. And third step it is that dabba Vm divided by dabba T at constant temperature given minus Vm. This is minus Vm come, this minus Vm, P minus A by Vm square given. It is a third step. We have to apply that cyclic rule. Here we consider third one is applying the cyclic rule. We have to know that Vm at constant Vm, constant pressure and constant temperature. Here that formula given R by Vm square plus P minus A by Vm square divided by R minus Vm P minus A by Vm square given. Okay, plus 1 is equal to 0. This is a cyclic rule formation. Reside we have to cancel out that R by R cancel, Vm cancel. Okay, we got answer is that the R Vm, this P by A minus Vm square cancel out. This whole equation have to be considered minus 1. This is a plus 1. 0,